it's April here with the Vocal Veteran. This is going to be a little off topic of my usual postings. This channel in large part is about navigating the disability claims process as a veteran, navigating healthcare with the VA as a veteran, because I am an accredited claims agent and I help veterans with getting their disability ratings and all of that stuff. However, I am also a veteran. So when I run across veteran, like other things that affect veterans that I feel like I didn't know and maybe you didn't know, I like to share them. So today I'd like to share about Disney, particularly Disney World, and the discounted tickets that you can get as a veteran. We have a 6-year-old son and he's never been to Disney World, so we're going to be taking him. And in the past, I've used travel agents to do Disney trips because it's overwhelming. There's so much and I just don't want to deal with it. So in the past, have used a Disney travel planner and just tell them, yes, I'm a military veteran, and then assumed that they knew about any discounts I might have been eligible for. I have since learned I was wrong to assume that. So I have paid more than I should have for prior trips. And I am not doing that this time. And I want to warn you so you just know ahead of time what you're getting into. So Disney, for comparative purposes, I'm going to share the prices for the time that we are going for a 4-day park hopper ticket. Okay. For the time that we are going, a 4-day park hopper for just the regular person coming in is $733.77 for one person for 4-day park hopper. Okay. That's like the regular price. Now, there is a Magic Your Way 4-day park hopper. Magic Your Way is for military veterans that have a disability rating. Doesn't have to be 100%, just has to be a disability rating. So you have a VA card, a veteran health identification card, and you are eligible to purchase a Magic Your Way ticket. So for a 4-day park hopper, it's $540, significantly cheaper. And then if you are active duty military, retired military, or drum roll, 100% permanent and total disabled veteran, you can get the military promotional ticket. And that ticket is $365. How crazy, right? So half the price of a regular ticket. Again, regular price Disney $733, Magic Your Way for anyone with a disability rating $540, and then military promotional for active duty, retired, or 100% permanent and total is $365. Now, here's another savings tip. When we are going, it will be in the fall, and they're doing the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Now that ticket for a regular, like on their website, Disney ticket is $179. And the military Magic Your Way promotional ticket is $176. So really not that much savings, right? $3. However, this is like super important. On the military promotional tickets or the Magic Your Way tickets, you don't pay tax. It's just that price. There might be like a small handling fee, minimal. If I were to get the military ticket, it's $176. If I were to get the regular ticket, it's $179, but after they add up all the taxes, it's actually $190. Your savings is even more significant because you're not paying tax on top of all that. I will also say they advertise on the website, on Disney's website, they say if you are military, you could get a discount on your hotel room if you're staying on property. but you have to call and talk to a Disney person to get that rate. So they don't advertise it on the website. But in order to get a hotel discount, you have to be active duty, retired, or 100% permanent and total disabled. So just know that for most of us, if we're not retired or 100%, the hotel discount does not apply. But you can still get the Magic Your Way promotional ticket, which is significantly cheaper, and tax-free, which is just a huge benefit. So like I said, we are planning this trip. I've not gone yet. So once I go, if I find other things that we all need to know, I will pass those along. And let me also just give this disclaimer. I'm not a Disney person. We are doing this because we have a 6-year-old. So if you have like really detailed Disney questions, I'm very likely not the person that's going to answer them. If you know of military discounts that I need to know about, please do share. I would really appreciate it. And again, I just made the assumption in the past when I've dealt with Disney planners, the people that help with Disney trips, I made the assumption that they knew since I was a veteran, I would be eligible for these tickets, and I was wrong. You also can only get these tickets through either the Shades of Green hotel that's on property at Disney. It's the military, the place where you can stay if you're military on property, Shades of Green. So you can get your tickets through them, or you can get your tickets through any local, like if you live close to a base, you can go to their MWR and get tickets there. I live close to a base, but it's not really close enough. It would be like an hour to get there. So I'm not doing that to get tickets. So I actually went to the Shades of Green website. I will link all of this in the description. I went to the Shades of Green website. They have a price list of all the different discounts for all the different places. Like you can go all kind of places with a discount. And then you do a PDF order form and send it to them. And then they call you and you pay over the phone, and then they email you the tickets. It was super easy. In my case, it was like in the morning on a weekday. I filled out the PDF order form for the tickets that I wanted. And then that afternoon they called me and I paid over the phone, and they, like within minutes, I had it in my email. And those tickets, you just upload the code for the ticket onto your profile in the Disney app, and then you're good. And you do need, for either of these, either the military promotional or the Magic Your Way, you do need park reservations, which is also super easy to do on the app. So that is one other caveat, but it's so easy and it saves money. And when we're talking Disney vacations, these things add up quick. Oh, and also you can only get 6 of these tickets. So if you are like taking a ton of people with you, you could only get 6 of them at the military rate, but it makes a difference. Okay. Hope this was helpful if you're planning a Disney trip in the next little while. And also, if you have anything I need to know before I go, please share. All right. Have a great day, y'all.